Hello everyone. Today's topic is operations on large numbers in real life. There are four basic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You have to identify which operation will be used in a particular question. There are three simple steps you have to follow to solve the story sums based on real life. Step number 1 is to read the question carefully. Step number 2, locate the keywords in the question. Step number 3, determine the order of operation if there are more than one operation. The keywords can be increase or decrease according to the previous year, balance left in account after spending a particular amount of money, total amount collected, or how many bottles can be filled from a container, etc., which helps you in determining the order of operation. Let us take various examples to understand this concept. Let us read the question carefully. The population of India in 1947 was 388,997,955. The population of India in 2017 was 1,324,171,354. What is the increase in population of India in these 70 years? Let us locate the keyword used here. The keyword is increase in population. So, as the keyword is increase in population, so the operation used will be subtraction. Question second. Rahul had 85,000 rupees with him. He placed an order for purchasing 55 mobile phones at 1,350 each. How much money will remain with him after the purchase? Find out the keyword here. The keyword is how much money will remain. The cost of one mobile is rupees 1,350. To find the cost of 55 mobiles, the operation used will be multiplication. So 55 multiplied by 1350, you will get 74,250. Amount that Rahul had before purchases is rupees 85,000. Amount of money left after the purchases will be 85,000 minus 74,250, that is equivalent to 10,750 rupees. Third question. Priya is playing in a tournament. She scores 59,570 points in first try and she scores 61,020 points in second try. The top scorer scored 115 points. The judges announces that the new winner is Priya. By how much points the Priya beat the top scorer? Let us first find the total score of Priya. To find the total score, we will use the operation addition. So you will get 1,20,590 points. Priya beat the top scorer by. The score of Priya is 1,20,590 points and the scores of the top scorer is 1,15,000. So Priya beat the top scorer by how much points? Which operation will be used? That is subtraction. So 1,20,590 minus 1, you will get 5,590 points. So Priya beats the top scorer by 5,590 points. Fourth question. Varsha has to go to school every week from Monday to Friday. The distance between the home and the school is 1 kilometer and 625 meter. Every day she walked from home to school and then back from school to home. The question is, how much distance did Varsha cover in 3 weeks? Here is the solution for that. Distance covered in one day between home to school and school to home, that is 1.625 kilometer, 1.625 kilometer, so 3.250 kilometer. To calculate the distance covered in 5 days, which operation will be used? That is multiplication. So it will be 16.250 kilometer, because Varsha went to school from Monday to Friday in a week. So this is the distance covered in 1 week. Now the question is, Varsha traveled in 3 weeks. Total distance traveled in 3 weeks. So to calculate the total distance covered in 3 weeks, you have to use the operation of multiplication. So you will get 48.750 kilometer, or you can write as 48 kilometer 750 meter. Next question is, in a school there are 7 sections in class 6th. In every section there are 35 students. Each student donated rupees 120 towards flood relief fund. What is the total amount collected from the students for donation? To find the number of students in 7 sections, if number of students in one section is 35, which operation will be used? That is multiplication. 35 multiplied by 7. It is 245 students in 7 section. Amount collected from one student is rupees 120. You have to calculate the total amount collected from 245 students. Which operation will be used? That is multiplication. 245 multiplied by 120. You will get the answer, that is 29,400. In a juice factory, how many 500 ml of small bottles can be filled from 2 containers if the capacity of each container is 5678 liter? To understand this question, let us first calculate the capacity of 2 containers. If the capacity of one container is this, and you have to find out the capacity of 2 containers, which operation will be used? That is multiplication. So 11356 liter. The capacity of one bottle is 500 milliliter. Now here the capacity of container is liter and the capacity of bottle is milliliter. So let us convert the capacity of container into milliliter. 11356 multiplied by 1000, that is milliliter. So number of bottles filled is equals to, which operation will be used? Division. So let us divide the capacity of containers by the capacity of one bottle. You will get 22,712 bottles can be filled from 2 containers. Thank you.